Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 13th, July the 14th, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, the 3 stars. We have a killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last one is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional for the Sunday. So on Sunday we have only the Samurai Sudoku. Here I will show you the Samurai Sudoku. This one. I will do this tomorrow then. So this weekend, not a lot of puzzles, but let me start with this one, Four Stars Sudoku. This will be number 8893. Let me zoom this. Okay, 8893. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 25 printed digits. Should be 24. So 1 digit more. Actually should be a 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle. We need 20 to 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 189, 88, okay. How about here, the 5, no, 6. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. We have a pair, the 4 and a 9 in the last row, the 4 and a 9 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for the 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So the 3, okay. Interesting, 4 and a 9, so the 9 should be here. Yeah, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here or there. Here or there we see another 9 in the 3rd row. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Okay. And now 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, okay. Need a 9 there. Cannot continue with a 9. I need to wait. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. So I need a 2 here. I need a 3 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Right, and now, need an 8 here. Well, we need 2 here. Alright. 3, 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below, so last row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be here. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 7 and a 5. Okay. Need a 1 here. And I need need an 8 here. 8, 2, 2, 2. Come on. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6, okay. 1 and 2. Alright. 2. Come on. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Yeah. The 1 and the 2. 1, 2, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, now 2, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill these yet. Well. 1, 5, and 8. Need 8 there. Need a 1 here. 1, 5, and 7. The 7 there. 7 and a 5. Yeah. Need 8 there. Okay. 1, 7 here, 1 there. Well, we have in the third row 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are then numbers 7 and 5. We have 7 and 5 in this big square, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 1 here. Okay, need the 3. should be here. Need an 8 and a 9. Okay, 8, 8. Well. 4 missing numbers. No. Yeah. Well, actually 5. But 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this column, so no 3 and 4 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 7, 5, and the 2 are missing. We need a 2, yeah. 2, 2. 3, 4. That means 7 and a 5 are left here. 7 and a 5. This should be a 7 and a 5. Okay. Need a 1 here. 7 and a 5 are missing here. Here we have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need a 1, 2. Okay. Interesting. 3, 8. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Ay. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 here. So this box should be a 7. So 1 box left in this third row for number 5 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 7 on a 5. We have a 7 here. So this box should be a 5. 7 on a 5. We have a 5 in this row. So this box should be a 7. 7 or 5. We have a 7 in this big square. So this box should be a 5. 7 or a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. So this box should be a 7. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. How about here? 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 and 8, we have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. Then, yeah. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and the 2, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for us. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 15 minutes. Well. 3 stars. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we sold again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you guys for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.